You guys are hyping out there that Matiang'i for presidents, Matiang'i for change. But Matiang'i himself has not come out clearly and told the Kenyans that I want this seat. This is what I'll do for you. So mko hapo na Gachagua na nyote mnasema Matiang'i for presidents. And Matiang'i himself has not come out to say that he wants that thing. In fact, unaweza pata hataki. What if akataa asema hataki? Tutamforce. Acha tusikie tuone atasema nini. Yeye mwenyewe atatokea aseme I'm running for president. But we are just working on rumors that Matiang'i has hired a team that will ensure that this campaign will run smooth. Matiang'i is working with who and who. Hatujui hiyo mambo. Let him come and tell us that now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to fight for presidents, and this is what I'll do. I do 1 and 2, I 1 and 2, and I'll do this, I'll not do this. That's what we want, not just working on rumors.